Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Vivian. I do all kinds of videos, as you saw in my intro, all things beauty, all things fashion, all things lifestyle. So if you're interested in those kind of things, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. So today I have a very cool, fun find that I think is a good find, and that Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lips. I was so excited to try these out. I bought 2 shades, brought them home, went back, bought 4 more. So I think they're super good. I think they're great liquid lipstick. Stay on forever. You have to use the little eraser that comes with it. You have to buy that separately. Otherwise you have to use like an oil or micellar water or something, or a makeup wipe to remove them. They are not coming off. They're transfer proof, they're food proof. They come in a variety of shades and I love them. So I'm going to be swatching them all in this video. The colors that I have, I think there's like 10 different shades in the line. I have 6. I'm not one for really super nude lips, and so the only one that I didn't care for so much was this one, and this one is called, I think it's called Driver. Yep, this one's called Driver, and it's just a very like neutral nude, and it kind of looks like foundation, and I'm a little bit more tan than fair. So it kind of just like blends into my face, as you can see, as you'll see from the swatches. So this is the only one I really didn't care for, but all the other 5 that I did purchase, I love. Let's get into a couple quick things about them. Obviously it's a liquid lip. I'm sure most of you have tried liquid lipsticks. They're pretty much what I wear 90% of the time now. I'm kind of a liquid lip fanatic, and so like I was saying, it's a Superstay Matte Ink, and it's from Maybelline, and they claim to have a 16-hour wear, which I don't think I've worn for 16 hours, but a good 12 to 14, I would say, through 2 meals, a normal work day, a gym session. I mean, this stuff is staying on. I have the darkest shade on right now. This is called Escapist. It's number 45. It's this shade right here. It's kind of a dark purpley, kind of leans blackish kind of, but I wore this one just so you guys can see not only like the pigmentation of these, but also no transfer. Like nothing, and this is the darkest shade, so it's unbelievable. So if I eat, it kind of crumbles a little bit in the corners. You can touch it up, just be careful because otherwise it could look a little crusty, but they're not really a drying liquid lip, which that's one of my biggest pet peeves with liquid lipsticks that have the stay power, is that they're super dry and they pretty much suck the complete life out of your lips. These don't really do that, but nothing compared to some other ones that I've tried. So I'm really, really impressed by these for their staying power, for their pigmentation, the fact that they don't transfer. So yeah, I think overall it's gonna definitely get a thumbs up from me. If you like liquid lips, if you don't mind them being a little bit drying, then I really think that you're gonna like them. And I think they're only like $8 or $9. Anyway, this is what the applicator looks like right here. It's kind of the shape of an arrow, and it really allows you to get right there in that corner. It's awesome. I do use a liquid liner typically with every single one of these, and I use it with any liquid lipstick because I have a hard time staying in the line. They work great with a lip liner. I haven't really tried them without a lip liner, so I just think that helps kind of just keep everything in place. Okay, and so lastly, I did buy with the Maybelline liquid lip is the Superstay Eraser, and it's this right here, and it's right there right next to the lipsticks, and that's all it is. And I'll just show you a quick demo here of what you do. You just basically apply it really generously to both your lips, rub them together, and then wipe it off. This works awesome. It's not a gimmick, it actually works. Otherwise, if you are going to use a makeup wipe, you really gotta kind of go at it, because it is not coming off very easily with a makeup wipe either. I just want to tell you that. And I use a really good makeup wipe. It's the Kirkland brand from Costco. So they're a very good makeup wipe, and they usually remove everything, but they have this one it has a hard time with. I have used also micellar water, so that works really good on a little cotton ball. I've used that as well. So those 3 methods, but really the best is the little eraser. But if you don't want to spend the $7 or $8, then micellar water or any other type of oil makeup remover is probably going to work the best. So just a little piece of advice. And let's get into the swatches. Okay guys, that is my quick review on the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lippies, and I love them, so definitely a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below if you've tried them, if you like them, if you don't, why you do, why you don't, so that we can all learn from each other. Anyway, you guys, if you like these kind of videos, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos. Bye!